What's up, folks? It's Eli here at Flint Rock Valley. I've got an old Marks block signal over there. You can see it's lit red right now. It is hooked up to the outside rail switch that allows the train to come to the inner loop here. And as the switch is turned, the block signal is activated one way or the other. Well, I've had that wired for a long time, but I've just got these 153s. This one is the old one. It has the resistor that I removed on the bottom. I've got this one soldered up here, and it works perfectly. And it will, in turn, be activated for the outside loop in conjunction with this one over here. Now this other one here, it will work for the double sidings for the inner loop here. But just wanted to show y'all that you can hook them up to the O22 switches and have them work accordingly. All right, y'all have a great day. These are the tap splice connectors that I previously hooked up to the Marks one. I didn't have any colored wire at the time, so I hand painted the wire. I've got the other one hooked up alternately, of course, so it flashes alternately or engages alternately. Anyway, these tap splice connectors come in handy for such a project like that. Okay, we now have dual operated block signal control for the O22 switch that goes from the outer line to the inner line here. And then we also have another block signal for the two sidings here on the inner loop. These light bulbs are a little bit old and flaked off, but I'll get some more here eventually. Sweet. Very nice. See ya.